In a world where every click can lead to a new discovery, there lies a hidden danger that lurks behind the excitement of the unexpected. Welcome to our deep dive into the OMG It Worked Facebook scam, a digital Pandora's box that promises wonder but delivers peril. Hey there, digital explorers. Have you ever received a message or seen a post that screams, OMG It Worked? It's like finding a secret door in your favorite video game. But what if, instead of leading to treasure, it opens to a world of scams? Today, we're uncovering the truth behind one of Facebook's most cunning lures. Our journey begins with curiosity. The OMG It Worked scam often starts with a message from a friend, or so it seems. A video, a link, a promise of something unbelievable. But click, and you're in the scammer's net. Here's the playbook. Step 1. Hack a Facebook account. Step 2. Send messages to the friend list. Step 3. Wait for the clicks. Step 4. Fish for personal information, spread malware, or worse. But why does it work? It's simple. Trust and curiosity. We trust our friends, and we're curious creatures by nature. The scammers know this and exploit it without mercy. The key to defending yourself is skepticism. Treat every unexpected message with caution, even if it seems to come from a friend. And always verify before you click. Protecting yourself doesn't mean avoiding social media. It means being vigilant, updating your privacy settings, and using strong, unique passwords. Remember, the internet is a vast ocean, and while there are sharks, there's also boundless beauty and wonder. By staying informed and cautious, we can navigate safely and enjoy the digital world to its fullest. So, the next time you see OMG It Worked, remember, the only thing that should work is our collective awareness and resilience against scams. Stay curious, stay cautious, and let's keep our digital seas safe for all. For more tips and to join our voyage through the digital universe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can outsmart the scammers and create a safer online world.